Yes. If you have any doubt, if you are facing any problem, simply keep a message in chat box. Okay. Shall we move? Okay, right. So today we are going to discuss about data handling. So this is the next chapter in our IIT Bridge course. So let's see data handling. Okay. So data handling. So what is the meaning of data? So let's see. Data is a collection of observation. Data is nothing but collection of observation. Visual presentation of data will help us to understand it better, prevent that facts easily. So by saying more than we can understand by seeing. Okay, we can understand by seeing anything. Okay, so that's why visual representation. So that is physical representation. Okay, physical representation is help us to understand it easily and betterly. When some information is collected and presented randomly, then it is called raw data. For example, if we are attended an exam, if we wrote an exam in our class, so all class students marks randomly we are collecting it. For example, if we are discussing in a group with our friends, randomly we can say our marks, but there is no sequence, there is no presentation is it. But we can say random marks. So that is raw data. So next one is the data classified into groups is called as a group of data. For example, in that marks, below 35 marks is one group, above 35 marks is another group. So we can classify that. We can divide the marks into groups. So that data is called as a group of data. So next one is data in a raw form can be represented in the form of the pictures and diagrams. Yes. So some commonly used diagrams. So here we can mention that data in raw form it can be represented the pictures, represented in pictures or represented in diagrams. So how many types are there? So let's see. First one is pictographs. Second one is bar graphs. Third one is pie charts. So these three type of visual representations are there for data. Okay. So next one is pictograph. What is the meaning of pictograph? Let's have a look on definition. Representation of numerical data through pictures or graphs. So we are representing, if we are represented data through pictures or graph is called as a pictorial representation. Okay, that is pictorial representation. So we can call that as representation of the data pictograph. So next one is a pictograph represent data using pictures or symbols. So if you are see this picture, you can observe here. So here, how many books we have read? So this is the data about this statement. So if we are observe that here, we can see the pictures. Okay, we can see the symbols here. So like this, we have to represent the data. This data is called as a pictographic data. So next type is bar graphs. So what is the meaning of bar graph data? So let's have a look. The representation of data with the help of bars or rectangles in a diagram is called as a data. In previous type, in pictographs, we are representing the data by picturing. So here we are representing the data by drawing the bar graphs or rectangles. The horizontal line in the graph is, so if you are observe this is a horizontal line. This is a, wait a minute. Okay, so if you are observe this here, this is the horizontal line x-axis and this is the vertical line y-axis. So these two parts are there in the bar graph. These are the bars or rectangles. We can call them as bars or rectangles. So this is the representation of data in bar graphs. So next one is Okay, this one. Wait a moment. Yeah, this is a okay. Next one is pie chart. Last one is pie chart. So if you are observed that in pie chart, the information provided is represented in the form of circle. So pie chart is nothing but a chart. Circle chart. Okay. The circle is divided into various sections. If you are see this diagram, you can able to understand that easily. So if you are see this is a circle. This is a circle, but we are divided the circle into parts. We are divided circle into parts based on depends on the collected data. So pie chart is also called a circle graph. You have to take screenshots now. Okay, okay. You have to take screenshot after every slide. That is better to copy the notes. And in our WhatsApp group, I am already shared the this information, this pictures of the data handling and also fractions and also third chapter. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about the third chapter. No need to worry about that. So you have to prepare for exam. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is a pie chart. Pie chart is nothing but a circle chart. Okay, circle graph. If you are divided a circle into parts according to the collected data, this representation is called as a circle chart or pie chart. So worksheet. Now we are going to discuss about worksheet and as well as the solutions. So first question is representation of numerical data through pictures. Representation of numerical data, not in the pictures. First one is pictorial representation of data. Second one is bar graph. Third one is pictograph. Fourth one is both 1 and 2. Once again, read the question carefully. Representation of numerical data through pictures is called as. Here, definition is here. Representation of numerical data through pictures is called as pictorial representation of data, that is nothing but pictograph. This is the answer. So next one, representation in the form of the circle is called bar graph, pictograph, pie chart, and tally chart. So can I get your answers in chat box? Pie chart. Hasid Sai, very good. Pie chart, that is the correct answer. So, if you are see the definition of pie chart, representation of data in the form of a circle is called as a pie chart. So, what is the answer here? Pie chart. Very good, Nikhil. Answer 3. Yes. So, next one is what is the next question? The horizontal line in the graph is called. Huh? Okay, the horizontal line in the graph is called as dash, and the vertical line in the graph is called as dash. These two parts are related to bar graph. In that bar graph, I'm already told the two parts are there. First one is horizontal part, second one is vertical part. So, what are the options here? First one is horizontal line is called as dash and the vertical line is called as dash. So first one is x-axis, y-axis. Next one y-axis, x-axis, and x-axis, x-axis, y-axis, y-axis. What is the answer? The horizontal line in the graph is called as which one? Have a look. The horizontal line in the bar graph is called as yes. Is that Ram Charan Teja? X-axis, y-axis. Very good. And Nikhil also good. Correct answer. Okay. Yes. Here. So this is a bar graph. This is a horizontal line. This is a vertical line. So this is called as x-axis. This is called as y-axis. Take a screenshot. Answer is x-axis, y-axis. Next one is directions. So this information which I am going to share is chart. This bar graph is related to 4 to 7 questions. Next 4 to 7 questions are on this chart. So read that carefully. Below graph shows the referred snacks choice of 5th class students. So here, what are the first one is popcorn, chips, fruits, biscuits. So this is the names of the snacks which is prepared by students, and this is the quantity of the charts. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So let's have a look on the questions. So fourth question is, how many students like popcorn as their snacks? So how many students are liking popcorn? 5 students, 10 students, 15 students, 20 students. Ram Charan Tej answered 20. So here popcorn. Yes, very good Ram Charan, 20. And Hasid Chai, Hasid Charina, Charina. Okay, I don't know. So 25 is not correct answer. Popcorn is only 20 members are there. So what is the answer here? 20. So next question. Be ready to answer the question very quick. So how many students take fruits as their snacks? They are asking fruits. So 10, 15, 20, 25. So how many are there fruits? 15 members. Who said correct? Ram Charan Tej, you are correct. Karthik Teja, you are gave 3 answers, 20, 15, 25. What is this one? The multiple choice, we have to choose only one option. So 15 is the correct answer. Good. Who told first this? Ram Charan Teja. Correct answer. Yes? Yes. So next question. Answer is 15. Next question is, how many more students like chips than biscuits? How many more students like chips than biscuits? Here, read the question carefully. How many more students like chips than biscuits? So, how many students are like biscuits? So, if you are observe here, how many students are like biscuits? Here, 10 students are like biscuits. But what about chips? 25 students are like chips. Okay, number of students like biscuits 10, number of students like chips 25. So number of students likes chips then biscuits is equal to 25 minus 10. 25 students are liking chips, 10 students are liking biscuits. So we have to minus that. So 15 is the correct answer. Hasid side, very good. Yes, answer is 15. So last question, how many less students like popcorn? In the previous question, more students they are asked, but in this question, less students they are asking. 5, 10, 15, and 20. Let's have a look on the chart. So if you are observe here, they are asking for popcorn and chips. How many less students like popcorn than fruits? How many students are liking fruits here? Popcorn 20 students and fruits 10 students. So number of students like popcorn then fruits, that is equal to 5 students. Very good. Nikhil Reddy, very good. So next one, answer is 5. So directions. Again we have to see directions. What is it? The below graph is shown the number of comic books sold by a bookstore. Study the graph below and answer the following questions. So once again, simply observe this graph carefully. What is this type of data representation? Which type of data representation is this? Can you answer in chat box? Quick, 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 fast. Bar graph, very good. Can you kill? Very good. So this is a bar graph. So you have to solve the problems on that bar graph. How many books are sold? How many books of Superman? were sold. 150, 250, 300, 350. What is the answer here? Can you say 350? Ram Charan Teja, is this correct? So, which books they are asking? Superman books. Superman books are 350. Yes, this line is ended in between 400 and 300. That is equal to 350. So, answer is 350. Very good, Ram Charan and Karthik Teja answer. So, next question. How many more books of Superman sold than books of Iron Man? So 100, 150, 200, 300. Oh, sorry, 350. So what is the answer? 350. Is this correct? Let's have a look on that. So number of Superman books were sold 350, and the number of Iron Man books were sold 200. So what is the required answer here? Number of books of Superman were sold than the books of Iron Man. Iron Man books 350, Superman books 350, Iron Man books 200. So what is the answer here? 150. Yes, this is Hasid Chai. Hasid Sai, sorry. Hasid Sai, very good. Venkata Nitesh Kumar, we don't have that option 160. So answer is 150. So next question is last question in this chapter. Okay, last question in this chapter. How many less books of Batman were sold than books of Spider-Man? Once again, read the question. Can you answer the question without options? Yes. Just think about that question. How many less books of Batman were sold than books of Spider-Man? 50. Is this correct? And another one, 4,000. Kartike, Kritike, 4,000. There is no, that is not there in our options. Okay. First one option is 100, 150, 200, 250. Let's have a look on the bar graph. So this is a bar graph. What about the solution? First one is number of Batman books 150 and Spider-Man books 400. What is the required answer here? Books of Batman were sold then number of books of Spider-Man. Okay, 250. The answer is 250. Very good, all of you. You are very active. Answer is 250. Yes. So this is a second chapter, ma. This is a second chapter. Which one? Data handling. Okay, is it clear? So, is there any doubt in today's session? And once again, I am reminding you, we have to write exam on this IIT from 5th onwards. So, must and should you have to prepare well. And I am already shared the material in group. First chapter, second chapter, and also third chapter. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about the third chapter. And remember one thing: tomorrow morning class, first class, general math class also. I am going to take up that. Okay, general class also, and if possible, another class also. Okay. Why? Because we don't have time. We have to write exam on 5th. So that's why I have to complete the third chapter as soon as possible. Okay. Sir, once my roll number Ramcharan Teja. CH Ramcharan Teja. CH Ramcharan Teja, your roll number is 21 now. CH Ramcharan Tej, your roll number is 21. And okay. Is there any doubt?